Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I bring you one special video of a car I've been trying to find for a long time now. Here I bring you a 2003 Chrysler 300M Special. And today I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated in Reidsville, North Carolina. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Special. Start up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior, and go over some of the performance data. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The Special was first introduced in 2002 as a more performance, sport-oriented version of the 300M. It's got 107,695 miles. Very nice. Auto stick transmission. Alright, let's go ahead and cut on the headlights, fog lights, hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. And we'll check out the exterior. Turn signal mirrors, standard on the 300M Special. Also standard on the Special were the projector HID headlamps. Also standard on the Special were these 18-inch Z-rated wheels and tires. Also the signature body cladding. And most noticeably a lower ride height than the standard 300M. Also the addition of a performance exhaust system. Full power sunroof. It has a 3.5 liter 24 valve V6. In the standard 300M, it produces about 253 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque. But in the 300M, it was increased slightly to 255 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Went ahead and moved it a little bit so you guys could get a better look at the interior without the glare. There was two interior color schemes available for the 300M Special, and that was black, such as this one, and a two-tone cream and black interior. The build quality is very good in these 300Ms as well. Everything's covered in soft padded material. Has a nice touch to it. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Heated seats, 2-person memory, and a full power driver's seat. There's your trunk release button. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and see how it sounds. It's a very nice sounding car. It's got a little bit of a gurgle to it. And we're going to shut it up. Automatic climate control.
Supplies are limited.
6-disc CD changer. Traction. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have your cruise control and radio controls on the back of the steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and shut it down. What's really neat is at nighttime, when all the instrumentation is lit up, it's like a bluish turquoise color. Another noticeable thing on the 300M Special was the speedometer was increased to 150 miles per hour instead of the standard 120 miles per hour gauge. Manual lumbar, side curtain airbags. The seat's all the way back right now. It's still plenty of room. Back seats also fold. Leave a nice amount of opening. Good amount of trunk space. plastic covering on this door sill. Heated seat and full power passenger seat. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 2003 Chrysler 300M Special. By far one of my favorite cars of all time. It was a pleasure being able to make this video. Take care everybody.